Keling Medical Devices Company, Limited is a medical device professional R&D and production enterprise with over 25 years of brand reputation. Loosen the black screws on both sides of the head. The mattress is glued by Velcro. Grasp the headboard and pull it out. Hold the headboard and insert it into the fixing hole.
Tighten the black screws on both sides.
Check whether the connection is firm. Press the gas spring handle. Adjust the headboard up and down to a suitable position. Release the handle to automatically fix the headboard. Loosen the fastening handle of the leg plate. Hold the leg plate with both hands and pull it out. Hold the leg plate with both hands and align it with the mounting hole. Make sure the connections fit tightly. Make sure the leg plate is firmly connected. Rotate to release the metal handle. The leg plate can be adjusted horizontally. Tighten the metal handle after reaching the proper position. Press the gas spring handle. Adjust the leg board to a suitable angle. Loosen the gas spring handle leg plate fixing. Unlock the remote controller. After the indicator light is on, press the brake unlock button to raise the caster. Move the operating table to a suitable position. Unlock the remote controller. After the indicator light is on, press the brake unlock button to raise the caster. Table cannot be moved. Insert crank handle into the corresponding adjustment hole of the bed, and shake the crank handle to adjust the waist board to the appropriate position. Insert the plug of the wired controller. Pay attention to the protrusion of the plug aligning with the corresponding groove of the socket. Grasp the gray outer ring of the plug and pull it outwards. Press the external power switch. The indicator light is on, and the controller indicator light is on at the same time. Press the internal power supply switch. The controller battery indicator lights up. When the external power switch and the internal power switch are on at the same time, the table is on the external power supply mode. Press the unlock button until the indicator light is on and release it to complete the unlocking of the controller. After the unlock key is lit, press the corresponding action key, and the operating table performs the corresponding specified action. Press the corresponding action keyboard. The operating table executes the corresponding action, and the action stops when the button is released. The method of use is the same as that of the handheld remote control. You need to unlock the controller first and then perform specific actions. The operating table is only for emergency use after the handheld remote control is damaged, not for routine operation.